Well, I'm a PhD psychologist and I'm a love expert. So that means two things. Number one, I am very skeptical about any kind of product, although I've tried literally thousands of products throughout my lifetime in terms of health and beauty, right? Number two, being a love expert, it's very important. I do a lot of teaching, live teaching on the videos. There's a lot of people make documentaries about my work, as a dating expert, and been on the Today Show and everything. It's very important for me to look young. And so I saw that Regina was going to be actually giving a talk near my house in February, mid-February. And I thought, I really feel drawn to hear this talk because she talked about how, aging is really, at least in the little blurb describing the workshop, she talked about how aging is really related to dehydration. And let me tell you, I was really experiencing a lot of dehydration. My skin was dry. I had dry eyes. I was very attracted to that. And then I went to her talk, and she talked about the scientific research behind this product, which was very, very compelling and really fantastic. And that satisfied my PhD mind. So I thought I'd give it a try. And I didn't expect much because, as I said, I have tried thousands of products. Well, the first, I don't know. I mean, it may have been the first few weeks. My husband looks at me. I've been on the product. I was taking Life and Skin. And my husband looks at me and says, "You look like you've had a facelift." I'm like, oh my God, it's true. My skin, and you can see my skin, I have no foundation. I have nothing but a common cream on my skin. You can see the condition of my skin. My skin just started plumping up and glowing and being so healthy. It's just amazing. And it's not just on my face, but it's also all over my body. My dry eyes are much, much better. I would say they're 80% better.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And what about your husband?
Yes. So then my husband, who's even more skeptical than me and is a PhD, who said when I brought the product home, he said, "Oh, ridiculous, another product." He's watching me, right? And he's saying, "Oh my God, you're looking younger and younger." Oh, and the other thing that happened was I was sleeping better and I had more energy because I was sleeping better. So I'm like singing, I'm in the car and like dancing in the car to the music.
Yeah, I remember you came just the second day and you say, "I think I have amazing results." And I said, that usually doesn't happen in a day.
Yeah. No, I tell you, I'm very, very healthy. I'm very, very healthy, So I got fast results. Anyway, he was watching me change, sleeping better, more energy. And he says, "I'm going to try these products." And
did you have any problems with the stiffness or anything like that?
Yes. Actually, I had a hip problem. I kept getting intermittent pain in my hip. So it was so bad that I couldn't walk. Wow. And since I've been on the product, I have had only one go round with that, which used to be much more frequent, and it's much less pain. In fact, and it went away more rapidly. So, but I've only been on like a little over 3 months,
That's great. That's just a beginning.
Yeah. So that's pretty.
So would you suggest that other people? I know there are so many products on the market, and people are very skeptical. And obviously, I was too. What would you suggest to people? Because they need help.
I think you have to try this. You have to try this because you have to see it to believe it. It's like I couldn't believe it. I mean, it has been the most potent health and beauty supplement that I've ever taken. And I don't say that lightly.
And you don't have any financial interest because you are just a customer, right?
No, I'm just a customer. I'm just so grateful to Georgina, because I call her actually my health angel. I really do.
Thank you.
When I like, oh, there's my health angel. There's my health angel. I'm so grateful. I'm really, really grateful. I'm very grateful to the company. And I must say they have great customer service. Anyway, I'm very grateful because you don't come across something like this very often. And I know through personal experience, it is the best supplement I've ever taken for youth. If you want to feel younger and act younger and look younger and vitality, it is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. You must try this, period, end of story. My husband tried it. He's sleeping much better. And he has psoriasis, and it's about 40% better at this time. He's a little behind me. He's just been on it a few months. But you have to understand that these are long-term. He and I have been dealing with long-term issues, long-term issues of dryness and like my hip pain and, that kind of thing. So, and we never thought they would get to be this alleviated. Never.
That's actually what is the problem, that people expect results in a month or in a week or in a day. That will not happen. You can numb your pain in a day,
right?
But you cannot get rid of any chronic condition in a day.
No, not when it's been decades. Decades. It's a miracle if you can get rid of it altogether. It's a total miracle. I would never be without this product. I really wouldn't. I mean, I look entirely different. I told you, Grazina, but recently I looked in the mirror and I'm like, my lips are plumper because my lips through aging were like disappearing.
Yes, I know that. That's totally amazing what this product does, and I really advise everybody to try it. But also, I would like to tell people about you are a best-selling author, right?
Yes.
And here is Diane's book.
Yes.
So tell a little bit about this, so that maybe some people who have some problems in this department, they can get some help from you.
Well, after you get on the product, you'll be feeling very
and you look beautiful.
You'll be feeling very good.
Right.
But I've helped over 60,000 people meet the great love of their lives. I even helped Hoda Kotb of the Today Show. The anchor on the Today Show, she wrote about my work in her memoir, and she is now with a wonderful man. They have 2 little children. They're engaged, and it's very dear to my heart. But we have helped people. I have a coaching team, and I teach a lot virtually. And we've helped people from all over the world to have more self-confidence. This is why I love this product, to help more really build the confidence and, psychologically in every which way that you can. And then actually how to find the great love of your life, how to do that. These days it's not so easy because it's overwhelming with everything that you got to deal with, right? But there's a definite way that's been proven with our methods to do that, to really increase self-love, confidence, and find the right person for you. And there is a lid for every pot.
And you have such a great relationship with your husband, so you are a living proof that it's possible.
Yes. Well, I do everything in my own private lab, just like you. Like you guys take the product, and I was impressed with that too when you gave your talk and you talked about how you were using it and how great you look. I mean, how great you look, and then your husband, was very impressed with that. It's doing it in your own personal lab that tells you really believe in it. You know what I mean? It works firsthand.
That's right. So thank you so much. And if you want to have more information about the product or about how to find the love of your life and get more confidence, just write in the comments, and I will get you in touch with Dr. Diana, or I will give you more information about the product. And you also can join our private health and wellness group on a Facebook. And I will give you a link under this video. And with this, we wish you a wonderful, wonderful week. And Dr. Diana, it was a pleasure to have you with us. There is a lot of people who are health oriented, who understand how important it is to take care of your body for your happiness, really.
Yes.
Because health is wealth.
Yes.
You know,
yes.
If you don't have your health, you have nothing.
Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. And to have you mentoring these people, you see, it's not just enough to just get some kind of supplement and use it. You have to use it correctly. And I just want to point that out. Part of the reason I was drawn to this whole situation was that Kirchner is a fabulous health mentor, and she knew how I needed to use the supplements. And so she gave me the roadmap, and she can give you the exact roadmap to how to use them. And that's invaluable, because a lot of times you'll take a few supplements, nothing happened, right? But you didn't know how to use it. Well, the beauty of this situation is that I have you, or they have you. You have Kirchner.
Absolutely. So, and this is our passion.
Yeah, and that is worth everything, you guys. So definitely, use Kirchner to help you to really become even more healthy and happy.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Diana. I really appreciate. And again, if you guys have any questions, contact us, because we are here to help. We are passionate about what we are doing, and we are not here to sell you anything. We are here to help you to feel better, to look better, and to have more confidence and more love in your life. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Diana.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye.